Let's have another proving session. And this is a very common formula in mathematics. So this is a quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we will derive this formula. So our objective is to derive the formula using completing the square. So at the end of this quick presentation, we will prove the quadratic formula. So given this formula, so let's start our proof. So we will use the standard equation of quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a must not equal to 0. So from here, we will use MPE. So we will multiply both sides with 1 over a. And simplifying, we have, okay, this one. We will we can remove now the a, so we have x squared and then b over a x plus c over a is equal to 0 divided by a is still 0, or 0 times 1 over a is 0. So from here, we will move this one to the other side by APE. So we have x squared plus b over a x is equal to negative c over a. So from here, we can see that we can actually convert this one into a perfect square trinomial. So we'll do that. Okay, we will divide this one by 2 and then square it. So if we will do that one, so it will become b over 2a, this one squared. And then since we added this one to the left side, we should also include that one in the right side. So from here, we can convert this one, okay, from a perfect square trinomial. We can convert this one into a square of a binomial. So square root of x squared is x, and square root of this is b over 2a. That's why we have here. And then put squared is equal to, simplify, okay, b squared, and then 2 times 2, 4, a squared is a squared. Copy minus c over a. So we'll find the LCD. So from these two expressions, so of course the LCD is 4a squared, since a is also a factor of this. So 4a times a. So from here, we will divide that's 1 times b squared is equal to b squared, and then 4a squared divided by a is 4a times c is 4ac, and then we have minus here. So from here, we can, okay, get the square root for each expression. So we are actually performing, okay, extracting the square roots. So that's why we have here positive negative. So we have x plus b over 2a is equal to positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. And then we'll simplify. So x is equal to, by APE, we have here negative b over 2a, and then copy positive negative, and then copy this one, square root of b squared minus 4ac, and then square root of 4a squared is 2a. Since we have similar fractions, we can copy the denominator, so 2a, and then the numerator will be negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac. So from here, we were able to derive the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So can you prove the equations ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0? So try it now. So prove ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.